How to create an FTP account in cPanel. You can use your cPanel username and password to access all folders and files via FTP. However, if you want to create an FTP user account for a specific folder or you don't want to allow access to your root files, then you can create a separate FTP account. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click on the FTP accounts icon. Enter desired username in the login text box. You can enter the password manually and type it again to confirm it, or you can generate a password automatically. To generate it automatically, click on the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, click to check the box and then click on the Use Password button. If you want to give access to the entire /public_HTML folder, enter public_HTML or change folder path to a different path like public_HTML/new user, and your FTP user will be granted access to only the new user folder. Your FTP user will also be unable to access folders outside of the public_HTML/new user folder. Specify the quota in numerical words or select unlimited. Click on the Option button to select any one option. Now click on the Create FTP Account button. Now you can access your FTP account by using your newly created FTP account. To access your FTP account, you need to enter host. In this text box, enter your website IP or enter your website name like ftp.example.com. Here replace example.com with your website address. Enter the username and enter FTP port number 21. It is default port. Then enter your FTP password in the FTP password text box. Thank you for watching.